I would like to say welcome to our YouTube channel. This is James with JJ Media and Online Services. I just want to first thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Your days are busy, you have several different things going on, and I thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Also, I am really asking you to subscribe to my channel. I know many people are always saying subscribe. Well, I'm asking you, just subscribe. Keep up to date with us. And every once in a while, I'm going to be trying to send a message to all the subscribers and some freebies and stuff. So subscribe. Be sure to look in the description, connect to all of our social media channels, and that way you can kind of see what we're doing and what we're sharing. And of course, I do different marketing for different businesses. In fact, I've recently am hired working with a business, hired on to them, with them, and doing website and SEO, what I do. But today, I'm going to be taking a look at finding the right video title keyword and just keywords in general. And many of you know that Keywords Everywhere has started charging. I'm going to kind of show you possibly some workarounds that I use. You want to find out the volume that they're doing and the keywords that is, and to try to find what to put in the title of a video. And you can use this same thing with WordPress website titles too. So thank you for joining me, and let's get to the computer, and then we will go from there and show you what you can do, a possible workaround to do for titling your video and finding keywords. So let's jump to the computer. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. All right, I've already have these pages pulled up on purpose, so it will go a little bit quicker, because sometimes when you're recording from the screen, it kind of slows it down a little bit. So if you see here, every time you put a title in, you get all these suggestions. And of course, I literally was doing, trying to think of different things to do for video titles. I'm a video marketer. I've been learning a lot in the last several years. I find that you never know everything, so it's always changing. But so I just put how to put your YouTube title. Well, here it showed you several different options. These right here, these suggestions are actually what people are searching for on this topic. So you can kind of find out how, or find out what to start with. Okay, another neat little thing over on my YouTube channel, here is TubeBuddy, and I will have the link in the description for you to get it. There are free plans, and then there are paid plans. So In fact, here is a title that I put in: keyword everywhere alternative extension, which I don't know. I was just kind of playing around. But what this does, it shows you, it gives you a gauge. There isn't much competition on this keyword, enough search volume to make it a fair target. Let me go ahead and drop in what I was going to do. Okay, how to put your YouTube title. Let's see here. And remember, this is from this tab over here. Very good. That is a very good title. So the keyword isn't too competitive and has enough search volume to make it worth targeting. So I should be able to get some traffic off of that. Okay. Another thing I use is keywordtool.io. keywordtool.io. And you have the different options of finding keywords for Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay, Play Store, Instagram, Twitter. And one of the things that I actually also do with it is on Instagram. You actually, it pulls some hashtags. With those hashtags, you can put in a keyword and find out what hashtags are suggested for Instagram. And you can also use those, drop those in the YouTube description, and it pulls the top 3 hashtags that it decides. So I just typically stay at 3. Okay. Let me go ahead and close this out. Sorry about that. Okay. The one that I find used for the volume is the Uber Suggests free keyword tool. Now, the other day I just heard a YouTuber say Neil Patel will be charging eventually for this. I don't know. I haven't heard him say that. I don't follow him on everything, but I do follow a lot of his teachings and videos. So let me just go ahead and drop this in, and we'll search. Okay, now the interesting thing about this is Uber Suggest says that there's not much volume. But you jump over here to TubeBuddy, and it says it's very good, has enough search volume to make it worth targeting. So I'm just going to do a test. But I just wanted to show you these different options. So let me go ahead and I'm going to put in, okay, local plumber. Okay, I did that to just show you that this is what happens with typically just keywords you can drop in, and you can see the different searches that are happening per month for these keywords. And then typically what you do is drop in the name after, or the name of the town that is before, after you find the keywords you want to go after. So I hope this helps you, gives you some suggestions of what to do, how to do it. One of the things that I am going to be bringing you is another video on a little tactic that I use to really scatter your one video a lot on all the local. This is specifically for local keyword marketing, and you can actually take your one video, your one YouTube video, and do a bunch of WordPress pages and key in on the different locale of where you are at, if you're doing local email or local SEO marketing. So thank you very much for watching this. I apologize for the sluggishness in thought. Didn't get a whole lot of sleep, but I love online video marketing. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and comment below what you use for your keywords. Let's help each other out. Let's work together. Help each other out. And comment below. And also, if you comment below and you comment video intro, I will draw from all the comments and give away a free video intro. And I'll contact you and then have to get your high quality logo. So check us out on the social media in our description, and we hope to see you in our next video.